Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in black sapphire metallic. So alongside that incredible exterior colour, this vehicle features not only a wide array of BMW optional extras, but a full individual interior as well, all of which we will get onto in just a couple of seconds. So alongside a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, we've also added a set of brand new 20-inch 405M style alloys. Sitting just behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus pack brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got that full M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 66 reg. We've got the Angel Light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, again, thanks to that M Sport Plus package, you do also get sun protection glazing. And through the front windows, you should just already be able to see the absolutely incredible full individual leather, which we're going to go through and show you now. So it comes in a very, very nice clear white, as you can see there. It's going to come through probably a little bit darker than it actually is on the camera, as the clouds are over us a little bit today, so the showroom's that little bit darker. As you can see, we've also got full individual trim as well. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Both front seats are heated and come with electric movement and memory. And we can show you one of my favourite parts of individual's interior. You get that lovely little tag there, and you also get this diamond quilt effect on the door cards and running through the central portion of the seats. Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. And of course, the 435Ds do come with that superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive. Again, that full individual interior carries right through onto the rear seats. Still maintain your central folding armrest, and what works very nicely is again have that darkened M Sport headlining. All of the interior is in superb condition and has been very, very well maintained, much like the rest of the car. Round towards the rear, again showing you off those fresh alloy wheels, and of course the M Sport Plus brake really making a statement behind them. We've opted to go for a carbon style rear spoiler on this vehicle, and that looks great against the black sapphire. And we've got a satin rear diffuser, and of course, if you've not yet seen one, you do get a automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes, which reveals a very large boot area. You can make that bigger because you can remove both bottom and top partial shelves along with split folding seats, albeit you're not going to want to have those seats hidden, I'm sure. Round at the other side of the car, again, not only a very clean and tidy example, but all working very nicely with that exterior colour. And we should now go on, take a seat inside, because not only have we got a very special looking interior, we've got some very nice optional extras as well. Starting with power folding mirrors, we've already mentioned the Harman Kardon, of course. Taking a seat inside, we've also got BMW's professional wide navigation and media screen. Both front seats are heated, as we mentioned, but they're not the only thing to be heated, as it has got a heated M Sport steering wheel, as you can see down here. Alongside that, you also get cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The car's only covered just over 24,000 miles, so again, it's a really low mileage example of a beautiful 435D. Running you through the screens on this professional system. Sat nav uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. It's also got both Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well to keep you on the fastest route possible. Going back down into the vehicle information and service screen, as you can see there, everything is highlighted in green. The next service is not due for 8,000 miles time, and also has full BMW service history as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video of yet again another superbly presented 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch, you'll always find all of the contact information along with links to our website in the description. And of course, on our website you can view this vehicle in not only a bit more detail, but there is prices and along with funding options as well. Once again, we'd like to thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.